Okay, what's up, though? It's me again. Just want to make a quick video because I seen my man's nerf swag made a video, number 21, not number 20, so I wanted to make a video too. So basically, I'm going to be doing a review on the Alpha Trooper, Ladder Down, and Barricade. Claim the first automatic gun, but I don't think so. Automatic is when you hold the trigger back and it keeps shooting. So, submit. As you can see, I got loads of bullets. So, and later review on whatever this is. Got the name of it. But anyway, I'll comment on that. So, first, I personally like this because I have never, ever had a gun with this. I call this.
Put it back in your pocket. I'll find another piece.
Okay, yeah. Obviously, you know, you load it up. I do like this cockback. I wouldn't say rapid fire, but it's whatever. And also, you can put a clip in there too. It's like a anyway, you can clip on the back and you proceed. Pull it up. Gone. Okay. I want to actually load it up and give you a fire test. I'm only going to put about 10 bullets in here, so I don't want to waste you guys' time.
You've had an acting job where you got paid? That is not the definition of professional. Actually, it kind of is. Let's keep looking. Whoa. What's $1,800?
Okay, 10 bullets right here. I'm actually going to give it a little fire test. Show you guys. Well, I don't highly recommend it. I recommend this gun. Okay. Fire test. And now to Barricade. I don't really have nothing to say about the Alpha Trooper because it's like kind of a good gun. Anyway, I do personally like that. Barricade does have a safety trigger on, a safety thing on here. Pull this back, pull this out, it will be orange, because of this right here, it will be orange, and you will not be able to shoot it. Now that you go, it's a safety type of thing. And it's a really good gun. Say, you know, cocking the back, you can just, yeah. And they do have a safety thing on here, so you can't shoot. Well, it's off, you know, like if you don't want to pull the trigger unless it's on, but anyway, I wouldn't basically call it an automatic gun, because an automatic gun, you turned it on, and basically wouldn't have an on switch, and you would hold it back, and then boom, 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 boom. That would be an automatic. And this cannot go in here, whatever I use can't go in here. And I'm trying to work on this banana clip. My friend had made one, and don't tell me. But the suggestion is, what I'm gonna try. See what you do. Put it like this. You put a bullet of any size right here. Right here, you tape this up. What I'm going to do later is show you guys eventually, but I never really had time with tryouts, work, homework, people coming over to see me, Halloween. So, I mean, it's whatever, but give you a quick test on the Barricade, and that's going to be it. Round it up on this. Only going to put 5 bullets in here. Once again, I told you last time. And I'm going back to Twitter and stuff. Okay. Okay. Pretty far distance, so this basically it. Next thing I go through the hole. You know, I got tattoos, man. Yeah. Finally got old enough to get tattoos on my arm. Now I see it. Too bad. Don't be my next vlog. That's out all day. Thanks. And I'll see you guys.